Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Point slope form formula is y is m, which is our slope, times x minus x1 plus y1, which means we have y is b over 2h times x. Okay, now that we have this, we know this is half the length of what we need, which means we need to double this to get s of x. So if we double this, we know the 2 just cancels. That's the only thing that really changes. So now we have b over h times x. Again, no 2 because we're doubling it, which means the 2 cancels. Okay, now that we have this, we know that we have to multiply the first s by the second s. So before we do that, we know if the first s is b over h times x, then for the second part, we have to double it. We have to double this value to get the second part, which means that we have simply 2b over h times x. So these are our s1 and s of 2, which means our volume is the integral from 0 to h of b over h of x, that was our first one, times 2b over h of x, that was our second one, dx. Okay, cool. So now that we've got this, let's pull out the constant. Anything that isn't an x, we can be pulled out. This makes it a lot easier to integrate because we know we can leave the constant alone. That's a large part of the term we have here. And we know we can use the power rule, which means increase the exponent by 1, divide by the new exponent to get 1/3 x cubed from x squared. Okay, now that we have this, it's time to plug in. We pulled out the 1/3, which just becomes a 3 on the bottom because, again, constants can be pulled out. You should have learned this in a previous chapter, which gives us our final answer of 2/3 b squared h.